There we go. We're live. How's it going, buddy?
Good to be here, my man. Good to be here.
It's good to be here for me also as well. I concur. So we're going to look at a few charts. This is the DEX's pre-market pulse scan, getting ready for this week coming up. And we're in a holiday spirit, man.
We really are. Every day it feels
You're
like a holiday.
You're like the Santa Claus of price triggers.
Yes, I am.
And
I bring you good tidings.
You do bring good tidings. Here's what people need to understand. We've got something very special running. Anybody who has a free membership with us, which you can get by going to pulsewavetrading.com. It's the top link in the description if you want to go straight to our free membership. We've got a sick free membership where you get a free price trigger trade every week. The last couple of weeks, it's been Bitcoin. And it's great. I walk you through it every night. And the way the price triggers work is if we give you one free price trigger, that means we're going to trade that trigger the whole week with updates every weeknight. So it's a lot of fun, and I do videos showing you exactly what I'm doing with that particular price trigger. I've been doing Bitcoin the last 2 weeks. I might do Bitcoin again, Dex, just because I love that Bitcoin, and we're doing a special right now, and we want to draw attention to it. So those of you who have the free membership, you need to go check your dashboard because Dex lost his mind. He went completely crazy and posted a sale. I mean, we're suing him for control of the company. We're trying to have him committed because of this sale. We were trying to get a hold of his wife and say, what went wrong? Did you mix up the medication again? Because it's insane, Dex.
It is insane. It's unheard of in the industry, period.
It's like crazy. Remember Crazy Eddie back in the day?
Crazy Eddie.
His prices were insane. You're the Crazy Eddie of price triggers. You're the Santa Claus. Anyway, folks, go over to that free price trigger trade of the week. And there's a big thing there. There's a big button, and we've got a ridiculous sale. So please go check that out. If you've ever thought about trading the price triggers, now is the time. Get in on that. It's ridiculous.
Before my sanity comes back.
Yeah, which, it ebbs and flows, Dex. It ebbs and flows. At your age, you have your lucid days, and then other days you're just posting crazy sales.
Hey, you're giving my identity away. People are not supposed to know that Yoda is real life.
Love it. All right, man. So for those of you who are already down with the price triggers, the free trade I'll post right after this. I'll do a video on it. We'll do Bitcoin. We'll do Bitcoin one more week. It's the holiday season. It's for baby Jesus. We'll do it. But for the rest of you, let's take a look at some charts. I'm going to post these up on the screen here. Just getting ready to share. Usually I have all this ready, but let's go. All right, here we go. We got Bitcoin on the screen, which we're going to be doing our free trigger trade again this week. I can't decide if it's out of generosity or laziness because I'm going to be trading it anyway, so I might as well videotape it.
Might as well, right?
So what do you think?
One stone.
Exactly. Any new thoughts on Bitcoin for this week? We're going to be going long and short because we're doing contract trading, folks. If you like trading, this is the way to trade Bitcoin. It's a great way to trade it. What do you think, man?
Well, the PulseWave says we have a rally alert to start the week off with.
Nice.
Yes, we got rally alerts, so you need to pay attention to that. For those of you who are members, you know exactly what that means. You know exactly what you need to do to position yourself to do something with that. It should also be noted that we have a rally alert on the weekly as well as the daily.
Oh, interesting. Both of them. Well, that could get crazy.
Yes. As a matter of fact, we also have, speaking about the weekly chart, we have a rally alert for not only Bitcoin, but also Ethereum and Litecoin and Ripple and Qtum, and which is Quantum or whatever. And we also have a rally alert on Neo.
Oh.
Bet you guys didn't know that. So
people love that Neo.
Yeah, we got a lot. We also have it on Obits. We also have it on Bitcoin Cash. Was it Omisigo? Is that how you say that? Zcash.
Omisigo,
Zcash, Monero, EOS, Ethereum Classic, and
so we're looking at potential rally in the whole crypto market this week.
Yep, Tenix, Monocoin, and VeChain and Cardano.
All right, very cool.
Those all have rally alerts, and there are also dozens more, but I won't go into those right now. Just to give you an idea we're expecting rallies in the entire crypto space for the most part to start trading off for Sunday into Monday.
Very cool. Awesome, man. Well, let's look at the Dow. Here's the E-mini Dow.
All right, so let's take a look at the weekly first. All right, so looking at the weekly, starting off, we have, let's see, no rally alert there. All right, we'll stick to the daily for now. Let's do that. All right, see what we got. All right, so on the Dow, we have no rally or crash alerts to speak of. Right now, the market is in a well-defined uptrend, but for some odd reason, it's really hitting a resistance zone because all of the bullish momentum has been taken out of the market. We actually have negative momentum in the Dow, and we also have negative momentum in the silver, which is also in a mature bear market. So for the Dow, we have negative momentum. For the NASDAQ, we got negative momentum.
Even with that big daily bar?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Telling you what the algos are saying. For every up move you see, there's some secret selling going on in the background.
Okay.
We also have, we actually have a crash alert, though, for the Russell. But we also have a rally alert for the Russell. So let me explain what that means. The rally alert for the Russell is a bona fide bullish momentum rally alert. The crash alert we have, which sometimes can also be a rally alert, this is a support resistance alert. What that means is that at some point during the last week's trading session, the Russell actually broke an intraday price inflection point support. All right, and then it bounced. So we're going to be looking to see if that support holds or if there's going to be more downside to come. So the Russell's a very interesting one. The other stock indices do not have that alert. The NASDAQ doesn't have it. The S&P. The S&P actually has nothing. We have no crash alert, no rally alert, and we have zero momentum, meaning that the S&P 500 is flat. Even though it's in a mature bull market, as far as momentum is concerned, we got nada.
Interesting.
Markets are in an interesting place right now.
How about gold?
All right, gold is an interesting one because gold is also flat at the moment, but it has been in a bear market retracement. So the market had been going up, rallying off of the low point that was hit. And then all of a sudden you start going back down again. So as of right now, the market is still in a corrective state. So because there's no momentum reading, this thing could go either way. It could bounce from Friday's low, or it could keep right on going. There's no rally or crash alert. There's no signal to go off of. So we have to look at the intraday price inflection points to see if we get a rally or a crash. We just don't know right now. Interesting, isn't it?
Yeah, man. Any other thoughts about the markets for this week before we wrap up for today?
I think the markets, as far as the stock indexes, they're in a crossroads right now. Either we're going to start the Santa Claus rally early and this rally, if it does start early, then what's going to happen is it's going to take us into January. But if it stalls at some point or we start to reverse course again, then it could be a monster sell-off. And I mean monster. Like frightening, scary, get your money out of the market, take your profits and run. Everyone's, running toward the exit. So that's the crossroad that the market is at as we speak right now. We'll see if anything changes, but as of right this moment, we're at a crossroads. We're at a straight up crossroads, And I have to tell you, regardless of what happened on Friday, the bears are still in control of the Dow, the S&P, and the NASDAQ. The only market that the bears don't have a sure stranglehold on is the Russell. So go figure. The Russell is actually in a position to go higher, but the other three indices are not.
Interesting.
Yes,
All right,
it
cool.
is.
We'll keep an eye on it. We got those price triggers to ride it whichever way it goes. So be cool. All right, one last time, check out PulseWaveTrading.com. Get in on that free membership, and you'll see a ridiculous Christmas sale from my main man Dex. Also, those of you who are current members, even more ridiculous offer for you on your dashboard, because there we just went crazy with appreciation. I mean, crazy with appreciation.
Customer Appreciation Month.
Heck yeah, we do appreciate you guys so much. All right, thanks everybody for watching. Thank you, Dex.
My pleasure.
Leave us with some of your incredible sage trading wisdom before we go out of here.
Well, keep in mind, folks, that bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take all the profits you can and give none of those profits back. Peace.